Good morning, class 11th. Welcome to accountancy period. Today we are going to do one more sum for the final account with adjustment. In my previous lecture, we done the adjustment which was related with the GST. Today we are doing sum number 10. Again, GST transaction will come. Here the first transaction given is capital 82,000 rupees. Name of the parties or company is not given. Prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet on 31st March 2018. Trial balance is not given. Here mixed items are given, so we have to identify which is assets, which is liability, which is income, which is expense. As usual, we will start our sum with adjustment. The first adjustment is stock on 31st March 2018, closing date. Closing stock was given 25,000 and realizable value is 32,000. Realizable value means if you want to sell it, we can sell it at 32. So if you remember, I told in advance or earlier also that when we have given two value of closing stock, market value and book value, तो we will be showing whichever is less. जो वैल्यू कम होगी उसको हम यहाँ पर दिखाएंगे by closing stock. तो here the lowest value is 25,000 and this closing stock will be coming in balance sheet now 25,000 rupees. क्योंकि मार्केट में 32,000 में बिक सकता है, फ्यूचर में बिकेगा, आज बेचा नहीं है हमने, तो उसको हम 32 से दिखा के 7,000 रुपए से हमारा प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज नहीं दिखाएंगे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, goods worth rupees 2,000 distributed as free sample and goods worth rupees 1,500 were used by personal use for the proprietor and CGST and SGST 9%. तो first of all free sample, तो goods distributed as free sample account debit to purchase. This is normal entry we always pass. ये हमेशा हम नॉर्मल एंट्री पास करते हैं, फ्री सैंपल टू परचेज. बट यहां जीएसटी का चक्कर भी है सर. तो टू इनपुट CGST and to output CGST 9% become 180. It means your total free sample will be considered as 2360 and free sample is our expense. That's why profit and loss free sample it is 2360. Right now what to do with CGST SGST? In this format of trial balance we have given output CGST, output SGST. This is given rupees dear 10,000 and 10,000. अब इनपुट भी दिया हुआ है हमारे पास ट्रायल बैलेंस में, इनपुट CGST एंड इनपुट SGST 6,000 का है और 6,000 का है. इसमें ये कितना और ले लेंगे सर हम 180 एंड 180 जोड़ देंगे इसमें. और एक ट्रांजैक्शन और है दैट इज विड्रॉन फॉर पर्सनल यूज. तो एंट्री विल बी ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज टू इनपुट CGST टू आउटपुट. सेम ट्रीटमेंट रहेगा सर. 1,500 9% is 135. तो टोटल ड्रॉइंग बिकम माय डियर 1670. And what to do with this drawing sir? Drawing we are going to deduct from capital. ठीक है जी. और ये हमारा 135 रुपए का और ये आपका ये हो गया 135. तो ये टोटल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स वी विल डिडक्ट लेस इनपुट CGST. It will be my dear 6,315 rupees. 6,315 rupees. और यहां से परचेज में भी लेस करेंगे सर. लेस फ्री सैंपल the free sample was of 2,000 and less drawing it is 1,500. यहां परचेज में से हमें जो अमाउंट लेस करना है वो CGST और SGST के साथ नहीं होगा, वहां एक्चुअल अमाउंट हमें लेकर के दिखाना है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हियर, depreciate motor car by 15%. Depreciation we have done so many times. Another point, included in trade expense an insurance premium of 2,400 paid for the year. Some says that in trade expense, an item of 2400 is included, and this item is belong to insurance premium, and this insurance premium is paid for 1 year, and that year ends on 30th June 2018, and we are closing our account on 31st March 2018. It means we were supposed to pay our expense till this date only. हमने अपने एक्सपेंस यहां तक के पेड करने थे, लेकिन हमने कहां तक के पेड कर दिए? 30 जून तक के. तो अप्रैल मई जून 3 month is advanced here, तो 2400 into 3 upon 12, तो it becomes 600 my dear. So here in trade expense, total trade expense are given to us 15,400 less prepaid expenses, it is 600. The remaining will be shown over here, 14,800, and prepaid expense is our current assets, 600 rupees. In this way our own adjustment over here. Now trial balance item. Trial balance is not given, mixed item are given. Capital, balance sheet, liability side. Life insurance premium, it is our drawing, so we will deduct from here life insurance premium for capital. Plant and machinery, assets, stock in the beginning, trading account debit side. Then we have been purchase, trading account debit side. Return inward, deduct from sales, debtor, our assets. Then furniture, assets, motor car, assets, freight, trading account debit side. Carriage inward, trading account debit side. Carriage outward, profit and loss debit side. Trade expenses done. Sundry creditor 9,000 rupees. Sales, trading account credit side. Return outward is purchase return, deduct from purchase. Then special rebate. Rebate is a kind of discount. Special rebate debit, it means we have given loss for us, special rebate. And special rebate credited, it means rebate received, discount received, credit side of profit and loss. Rent for premises sublet. Now here it is not given whether rent for premises sublet is given or received, यहाँ clearly नहीं दे रखा. Now premises sublet means, premises mean building, sublet means we have given on rent. We have given our building on rent, it means rent received. So buy rent for premises sublet, it is our income. Lighting, trading of profit and loss debit side. Motor car expense, profit and loss debit side. Loan from Suresh 10,000, it is our liability. And interest on loan is also given 900. Sir, implied interest entry I told earlier also, आपको difference निकाल करके outstanding interest की entry पास करनी पड़ेगी. And output CGST, input CGST we have already done. ये हमने पहले ही कर लिया है. तो ये हमारा एक सम था सर. एक छोटा सा सम और है सर, इसके आगे का ही है, सम नंबर 11. उसमें केवल सम में जनरल एंट्री आस्क की गई है. तो लेट अस पास द जनरल एंट्री. लेट अस पास द जनरल एंट्री से. फर्स्ट जनरल एंट्री, illustration number 11 we are going to do. Illustration number 11. Pass entry for provision for discount on debtor. Provision for discount on debtor. So when we are creating provision for discount on debtor, our first entry will be provision for discount on debtor debit to debtors, and then profit and loss account debit to provision for discount on debtors. Right? Next, closing stock. I told earlier also, closing stock account debit to trading account. Closing stock account debit to trading account. Next, outstanding expense. So many times we have done expenses to outstanding expense. Prepaid expense to expense. Accrued income account debit to income account. Income received in advance इनकम अकाउंट डेबिट टू इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस। इनकम को डेबिट क्यों कर दिया? हम इनकम को कम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें एडवांस में मिली हुई है। हम इसको में से लेस करते हैं जब हमारा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बनाते हैं। और व्हाई वी आर क्रेडिटिंग इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस? बिकॉज एडवांस थिंग रिसीव्ड इज आवर लायबिलिटी। प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेब्ट्स उसी की तरह होगी जो प्रोविजन ऑफ बैड डेब्ट्स की हमने। और लास्ट एंट्री है डेप्रीसिएशन। तो डेप्रीसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी और फर्नीचर अकाउंट। तो इस प्रकार से हमारी ये जनरल एंट्री पास करते हैं। थैंक यू।